Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what are the difference between break, continue and pass statements in the loop and how we can use it in the Python programming. So let's see how these three statements are working. So let's try the break statement in the for loop. So for L in, that's any variable you can use instead of L. For L in Python, so now each character of the Python, that is P, Y, T, will be stored in L. Then we are checking like if the letter, that is L, is equal to H. What we are going to do? We are going to break. Then we are printing the current letter, current value is L. Okay, so now if you see what is happening, so first letter P, Y, T, so when it is coming to H, the program is getting exit. So this is happening when you are giving the break statement. Similarly, how the break statement is working in the while loop. So let's declare a variable var equal to 0. So let's write a while loop. So while var is less than 5, we can print current value, it is var. Then let's increment a condition, var equal to var plus 1. Now let's try for the condition for break. So if var equal to 3, we are going to break. Then let's print value after break, so it is again var. So let's see how it is working. So initially the value is 0, so when it is 0 less than 5, it is working. Then the value is becoming 2, and that is also getting printed. And after going this break, the value is becoming 3, and when it's coming to the point 3, it is getting break and moving out. So in this way the break statement works. So that's why the value is not printed in this place. So hope you guys understand how the break statement is working. So now let's see in the same way how continue statement is working. So just instead of break, let's replace continue. The same program, if you see here, P, Y, T, the H is not present. Why? Because when the letter is coming to H, we are placing the continue keyword. So when the program sees this continuous keyword, automatically it will move to the first line of the iteration. So from this continue, instead of moving to the next line, it is going to its first line, that is for loop. So that is why we are not seeing this H alone in the current value. Okay, so in this way continue works. So now let's see how this continue work in the while loop. So here also let's replace continue in place of break, but we need to declare the value again, var equal to 0. Then we change continue. So if you see here, the current value is printed, thus 0 is less than 5, so the current value is 0. Then it is incremented to 1, and the value of the break is also 1, so it is going again. So until it is coming to 3, that is at the point of 2, so the current value will become 2, and 2 equal to 2 plus 1, that is var equal to 3. So at this particular point, it's becoming continue. So the value after break is not printed for 3. So what is happening? It is automatically going up. So in this way the continue works for the while loop. Then the program getting continued without executing the next line of the continue. So let's see how the pass statement is working in the same things. So pass is nothing but it won't skip any program, or it won't come out of the program. It is just like the pass, like it's like a hold. In this place the pass is happening, that's all. It won't change anything in the program. So let's see how that is working in the for loop. So just we replace in pass in place of continue. So if we see here PYTHON, all the characters are printed. So even if letter is H, we are just passing. There is some time it is passed, the value is getting printed. There is nothing to stop. So I hope this difference between break, continue and pass is very clear. So if it is a break at the point of T, the program is coming out, and if it is continue, the value H is not getting printed, and in case of pass, the entire values are getting printed. So these are the difference between break, continue and pass statement. So based upon the requirement in the programs, we can use these statements in a different way as per our need. So hope you guys understand video. If you have any doubts in these statements, please put your queries on the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.